just for the measuring reaction time. So the measuring human reaction time is one of the experience of free fall that happen when an object is exerted by gravity force. Um, Gravitation acceleration on the Earth is constant in this situation, and then distance of artist strip falls in proportional to time when artist strip form. So in the experience, um, we have material of cardboard to make artist seal and then artist strip. And then we have pencil, notebook, stick, partner or helper if you want. So the first thing use the artist strip to make the strip look like in the Excel file we have a divide for distance d and then y d from 0 millimeter to 5 millimeter, and then on the side we have from 10 millimeter and then 20 millimeter. We strip from 0 to 70 700 55 50 750 millimeter in this artist strip, and then we using the cardboard to do the artist strip and adhesive because it's enough to heavy to compare with plastics on metal ruler. Also decrease it the friction when contacting between artist strip and the seal. So first thing we carry is to set up. The first setup will that pieces of cardboard tissue will have 110 centimeter with four size distance the 0 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 20 millimeter, and using a 750 millimeter artist strip to measure the height. So by using the formula d by vt plus 1 over 2 tt is square 2 where g by 9.8 meter over second square 2. D is for distance the meter stick fell and t for time for meter stick falling. When v by 0 and then vt by 0, therefore the algorithm t by square root over the square root of d 2d divided for g. So when we the artist strip from point d by 0 millimeter on the artist seal, and then artist strip have ran from 0 to 700 millimeter by using formula square root up to by the d divided z, and the formulas you can see in this Excel file. We have clearly for the formula, and then by using this uh, graph time and then distance depend on distance following uh, reaction time equal time increments. You can see that time and then distance have a proportional number of each other on the slide 2 and then slide 3 on the PowerPoint file. And then by analyzing 5 times for random of mean and standard deviation each chapters, we can see standard deviation is smaller than the mean. And then Orthin, by analyzing this value from the RT strip generally and the mean standard deviation, its value of D, we can see the reaction time for shorter than distance, which means a lesser time to get ready for next response, cause reaction time to be longer as compared to the setup where the couple work drop from the higher position, allowing us to have more time to reaction and respond to the next. In conclusion, our results were generally accurate since it were consistent with the previous studies would have shown the normal human reaction time is about 100 millisecond to the 390 millisecond. They are also consistent with previous studies in that multitasking significantly slows down human reaction time. So by the Excel file, we can see clearly for the action time in here. So in this slide 4, in this PowerPoint project, we can see the ice literally here for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 times. It is randomly choose from for distance and then from 0 millimeter to 20 millimeter. You can see the difference between mean and then standard deviation. Even um, I see the standard deviation is smaller than the mean. I mean the reaction from the people. So if it is shorter from this step from down. Alright, thank you for listening.